Crewton Ramone's House of Math. We are fooling around. All right, you asked for a harder one. All I did was make it a little more complicated to find the stuff that's same. Because the name of this game is what? Find the stuff that's same, right? Okay, so can you find the stuff that's same? And see, no symbols at the moment. You see stuff that's same? Mm. Yeah, well, grab the stuff that's same. Just hand them to me. Put them up top. So you see some X that are same? How many are over here?
4.
Can I grab 4 from this side? Mm-hmm. Well, then give me 4. 4 and 4. Excellent. 4 from there. And 4 from there. All right. Now what? You see some more stuff that's same? Mm-hmm. All right, find more stuff that's same. Ooh, look, he's lining them up. Good. 2 2s is the same thing as 1 4. No, let's get them up. Let's get them out of here. All right, so there's one of those and 2 2s over here. All right. See that? Okay, some more stuff that's same. 2 of those guys. Measure, yep. And can you grab that? Yep, there you go. Perfect. So put the 4s over here. And these guys over here. So now what's it say?
It's 3.
X is the same thing as a 3. All right. Well, let's just check just to make sure. So what did we just figure out? We just figured out that that X was the same thing as 3. Mm-hmm. Let's find out if it is true or not. So here's what I want you to do.
Okay.
Grab 4 3s. Here's 4 3s. Oh, you know what we need? There's more 3s. And over here we need 5 3s, right? Oh, I like it. You're measuring, but you don't need to measure. But just every one of those X is a 3, right? Mm-hmm. There should be 4 3s over here, plus the extra one that was there. And then over here we had 5 3s, so put 5 3s over there. Replace your X with the 3s, because we just figured out that X is the same thing as a 3, right? Mm-hmm. So don't worry about those. Just put those guys in and we'll get them in a second. So put 5 3s over there and get rid of the X. Wait a second, not out of this side. Can't use those. Can't use those. Grab these 3s over here and put them over there. Not with those. We're replacing the 3s. We're replacing the X's with the 3s.
Oh.
So just leave this side alone. You did it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Get rid of the X. You don't need that one. All right, now, tell me what the number is. You gotta count all that stuff up. You know what you could do? You can make one long row if you wanted to. All right, put them on the bottom. Excellent. Wow, it's a windy day. Beautiful. Keep going. Got all these guys to make a really long equal sign. Because you see what you're doing? You're making a big long equal sign. No. I like it. But let's make it flat. I know. And put your other unit in there that you're hiding in your hand. All right, now let's see if this side is the same. This is disorienting looking through my camera. There you go. Oh, look at that. It works out to be perfectly the same. Do you see my big, long, skinny equal sign? Mm-hmm. All right. How much is it? How much is one of them? Count them.
1.
Oh, you're going to count them by 1s. You can. It's fine. But can you count by 3s? Let's count. And you know what? Here, I'll teach you a trick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's skip these guys for the time being. And put them in the end. That's whisper counting. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 22, 23.
23.
23 equals 23, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Can you count the other one? Count the other one. You can count them one at a time if you want to, but try and see if you can. I'm trying to make you a efficient counter. So that's 4.
5.
Wait a second now. 2 3s and a 1. How much is that?
4.
Well, a 3 and a 1 is 4, and 3 more.
6. 7.
7. 10,
10,
13, then what?
15,
16,
16,
then keep going. 17, 18.
19, 20, 21.
Hold on a second, you didn't count them all.
What?
You didn't count them all. Try again.
So then I need to count up the top row?
Oh, we already counted the top row. Just count the bottom row. I didn't count them one at a time. Like I said, by now it might be easier to just count them one by one. But go ahead.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
There you go. 23 equals 23. Okay, that's all we're doing. And see, I didn't even put any symbols up. But what I basically had, I don't remember what we had. I had something like 5x plus 8 was the same thing as 4x plus, I don't remember. Anyway, but that's it. Right? All we're doing is making stuff same. Okay. You want a harder one or an easier one?
Easier.
Easier? Really? All right, fine. We'll do an easier one. He asked for a hard one to start.
Nice.
And now we're gonna go back to
Ratchet
easy.
back,
Yes,
go
there you
back
go.
up.
Go forward, go backwards. Fine.
That's okay.
Fine job. What's to do is find me the stuff that's same. Take away the stuff that's same on both sides, just like we've been doing. We don't make them look same. Just put the stuff that's same up here. Yep. 2 of these guys over here. 2 of these guys over here. I like it. I like it. What else is the same? Wait a second. Can you take 3 from that side?
Yeah.
All right, well then take 3 from that side. All right, and then what happened to the other guys? They're way over there. Put them over here so we can see them. All right, so what's it say?
X, it's 2.
X is the same thing as 2. Well, let's check, right? I don't trust anybody. So let's see here. I had 3x and 3, and then I had 2x and 5. Every time you see an X, put a 2 in there. Oh, sorry, I got your blocks in
We
there.
need blocks.
Yes, we need. Where's the 2s? Here's some 2s.
Okay, Dad.
So every time you see a X, put a 2 in there. So take out those 2 and replace them with, look, just leave these guys alone. Every time you see an X, put a 2 in there. So there you go. Get rid of that. Put another one. There you go, get rid of that. Now you need 3 2s over there. You only have 1. Grab some out of here. All right, so we can get rid of these guys. All right, now count them, see if they're same. We have 3 2s. Yeah, see, and here, we can just make them easy. Make rectangles to form.
4.
Wait. Yeah, okay, I like it. See that? Boom. And can you see I just made them same? Right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4 2s and 1. 4 2s and 1. 4 2s and 1. How much is 4 2s and 1 again?
4 2s and a 1.
Count them.
1.
Oh, can you count? 2,
2.
4,
6, 8.
9. All right, count this side and see if it's the same.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
Does 9 equal 9? Yes, it does. All right. You want some free time and build stuff? All right. So you can build anything you want. Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com for more. This is all it is. And then we're going to play some What's Under the Cup a little later, right? Where we don't use this. We actually use a cup because it's more fun than just using symbols. And class will probably be over in that amount of time. All right. Crewton Ramone's houseofmath.com for more.